In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay traffic ticket online in Boston, 2026, step by step. Whether you're in Boston or anywhere in Massachusetts, the process is quick when you know exactly where to go and what to have ready. I'll walk you through the official portal, what information you'll need, how to enter your details correctly, and what to do once you've paid so you have solid proof for your records. First, head to the official Massachusetts RMV traffic ticket payment portal on mass.gov. Using the state website helps you avoid third-party fees and keeps your information secure. Look for the mass.gov addresses and the secure padlock in your browser. If you ever land on a page that doesn't look official, back out and search for Massachusetts RMV Pay Your Traffic Ticket to find the government page. Before you start, get your details together so checkout is smooth. You'll typically need your traffic ticket, also called a citation number, the offense or incident date, an email address for your receipt, and a debit or credit card to pay. You can usually find the citation number at the top of your ticket, and the offense date is listed near the violation details. Having these handy will make the online form much faster. On the portal, choose the online payment option to bring up the citation form. Enter your citation number exactly as it appears and add the offense date in the format the site requests. Then review the personal and ticket information that appears. Make sure names, dates, and violation details match your ticket. If anything looks off, double check your entry before moving forward so you don't pay for the wrong citation. Before you finalize, the system may show you a few choices. You can pay the fine, appeal, or request a hearing, or review violation details. Remember, paying the ticket usually means admitting responsibility, which can affect your driving record and potentially your insurance. If you plan to contest the ticket, stop here and request a hearing instead of paying. Pay attention to any deadlines shown on the portal. If you're ready to pay, proceed to the payment screen. The RMV generally accepts Visa, MasterCard, Discover, and American Express. Enter your card details on the secure page and confirm the amount. Keep your browser open and don't refresh until you see the confirmation. Once your payment goes through, save your confirmation. Take a screenshot of the confirmation page and download or print the receipt. Keep it with your records and watch for a confirmation email. That's it. Simple, secure, and done through the official Massachusetts portal.